sometimes, ang mga lalaki kasi, they think that they're being friendly. Sometimes. But syempre sa ating mga babae, alam natin, kapag naglalandi ang isang tao at hindi, nafe-feel natin yun. We have that certain energy and intuition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So girl,
So,
wait lang, may kukwento ko. So, kasi may lumapit sa akin
Oh, lumapit sa'yo. Sino
na
yan?
artista.
Oh, sino
Okay,
to?
okay.
And then she goes, actually, linandi ako ng boyfriend
Sino
mo.
yung boyfriend yun?
But then, sa perspective ng
Before.
boyfriend mo, but then sa perspective ng boyfriend mo, friendly siya. So, sino ang tama? Si girl
Kailan
na
mo
feeling
yun?
niya?
Hindi.
Kailan ko
Alam mo, ganito din yung girl. Ako, I can ano to that.
Kailan ko yung girl eh. Kailan mo rin yung girl.
Sometimes kasi, may mga babae din kasi na feeling nila na nilalandi sila.
Yes.
Okay? But to be honest, sometimes may mga lalaki naman na sobrang friendly lang talaga. But malalaman mo naman yun kapag ka-over-friendly na merong gist of paglalandi at saka yung friendly lang. Kasi sometimes may mga babae na what do you call this? Confident.
Okay.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Like this, I'm
Like-
being
like-
friendly.
yeah.
Shot glass!
No, shot glass!
This one is a classic margarita brought by the good people of Love.
Thank
Available
you.
now. Go here at Love.
Burgos
Cheers!
Circle, AGC,
Thank you,
Council.
Migs.
Thanks, Migs.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
Too
Kasi
hot
minsan
for
kasi,
little bit of the truth juice.
yeah. Kasi minsan kasi, kunyari, for me, malalaman ko kapag nagpa-flirt ang lalaki or just being friendly kapag ka.
Makinig ka.
Kapag ka ang lalaki medyo touchy,
Oh. Hindi
at
ka na
saka
mahinawakan.
parang tinatouch yung emotions mo, as in like,
Tinouch
Like
yung
pag-
emotion.
yeah, like for example, sasabihin niya, alam mo yung sasabihin niya na
I
parang,
just message. Thank you for the great interview. Take care,
oh,
alright?
ayan, hindi yan
Bakit may
flirting.
message pa? Hindi, if I go on somebody's radio show, he don't text me, he don't say, Phoebe, good interview, good job. They don't do that to me. Bakit ikaw may text pa?
Hindi, pero ako ano ko yan, mapagtatanggol.
Sige.
Hindi naman tanggol.
Go,
but,
Sherry, go.
But I can for Rico. Kasi, pwede naman mag-thank you yung DJ.
Okay.
Pwede naman. I mean, like for me, meron namang ibang DJs na hindi naman nagpa-flirt pero nagta-thank you sa akin. I mean, for respect. Meron naman.
Okay.
But, if this certain person is like, saying na parang, dito ko malalaman kapag ka may lande factor. Like, for example, do you wanna learn like that how to upload a video? For example lang, how to upload a video on TikTok? Yeah, I'll teach you. Pero yung ulo, nakaganon.
Okay.
Okay lang yan.
I'll teach you, ganun,
Oh,
ganun.
okay lang, asandal siya sa akin.
Pero oo.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Hindi ako pagsisilosan ni Phoebe kasi alam niyang, bro.
Pare, ihi tayo mamaya. Tayo
Oo. So, alam mo yung para nakaganon, nagpapaturo paano mag-upload ng TikTok video pero nakaganon, no? Tapos nakatingin sa cleavage.
Ayun.
Ayun, iba yun.
Yeah.
So,
Ayun, meron yung paglalandi.
Okay.
Pero yung ano lang, yung hey, thank you so much for guesting on the show.
Okay.
Ganon. Pero pag may see you again soon,
Yan.
kaiba yun.
so gets mo na.
Tapos may emoji na mga
So,
Pag may see you again soon,
Tapos may eggplant emoji. You know?
pag eggplant emoji, iba na yun.
wheelchair na yun,
Tapos may
wheelchair.
water na nakaganon.
Okay. What about Rico?
So, inaanyayahan ka namin dito na paki-explain ang paano kita
Uy,
nilandi.
I know her.
Kinukurot ako ni Bibi. Sabi, ay, wala mesa.
Oh, the question is hard. Ikaw, what? What's your...
Ako sa intent
Bleep! Bleep that part.
Sa intention. Napapamura si Bibi, putangin. Sa intent talaga yan eh. If your intention is not to flirt, then there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
Pero kung yung intent mo to flirt, kahit with contact or with no contact, but if your intention is to flirt, then may mali siya na yun. So
Yeah.
kasi like, I would go to a bar, people will hug, hey, how you doing? Long time. Like, hey, long time. Of course, alam mo, don't touch me. Ako naman, ay, okay, ingat. Diba? So, ganun. So,
Or siguro wag ka na lang yayakap. Siguro
hindi
ganun
mo
ka na
pwedeng
lang.
anuhin yun.
Ganon ka na lang.
O, diba? Hindi mo pwedeng iwasan
ako,
yun.
Shireen.
Silosa din. It's okay, girl.
Oh,
It's okay.
diba?
Ako din. Silosa din ako.
So,
Hindi, alam mo kung bakit alam mo kung bakit ganito tayo? Kasi we're exposed to those kinds of people eh.
Yeah.
And we know.
Not all men are dogs.
I know.
Some are puppies.
No, yeah, I know. I love that. No, but alam kasi namin eh, kapag nagpa-flirt tsaka hindi. But sometimes kasi, pag kunyari, being fair naman din, di ba, Phoebes? Ako silosa din ako eh. But sometimes, iniisip ko, okay. Tama ba itong pagkasilosa ko? Pero pag nakikita ko kasi na, I've been through a lot of relationships kasi na I thought na parang, ay, hindi naman siguro siya nag-cheat. Sige, intindihin ko na lang. Tapos biglang pag naghiwalay na kayo, nalalaman mo na,
Malabas na
shit!
yung, ay, may ganun pala.
Nag-flirt pala talaga siya. So,
Do
nadidistinguish
you
ko na
believe
ngayon.
that? Do you believe that?
Ngayon, nadidistinguish ko na kung ano yung flirting tsaka yung hindi. Kasi ngayon, nalalaman ko, I mean like I've been researching about this stuff. Kasi sa sobrang bad experiences and good experiences, parang okay, praning lang siguro ako. But there are really like men na alam mo yung subtle na flirting kasi kasama nila yung girlfriend nila at saka yung hindi. Kasi meron namang talagang mga lalaki na parang they're really not flirting, they're just really thankful.
See? I'm
And
just
meron din
blessed.
talagang mga lalaki na parang hindi naman nagpa-flirt sila pero hindi nila pinapahalata. Kaya ngayon nalalaman ko na parang I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. I'm not stupid. Alam mo yun? So,
Yeah.
you will know. And then your gut will tell you.
Okay.
As in talagang
So,
totoo yan.
gusto mong turuan kita upload ng video sa TikTok?